Tired of silent squads and losing because you can't talk? Let's dive into how to fix Fortnite voice chat issues and get you communicating with your team. First, let's check your in-game audio settings from the main menu. Head to Settings, which is usually found by clicking a gear icon or a similar button. In the Settings menu, select the Audio tab. This is where we'll troubleshoot. The most important section is voice chat. You'll need to make sure voice chat is actually turned on next. Verify that voice chat method is set to push to talk or open mic. Select whichever suits your preference. Also, make sure your voice chat input device is correctly set to the microphone you're using. If an incorrect device is selected in the drop-down, it cannot pick up your voice. If you've got your settings right but it's still not working, let's troubleshoot your actual hardware. First, make sure your microphone isn't muted. Check the physical mute switch on your headset or microphone. Also, verify your microphone is connected properly to your device or you're using a USB headset. Make sure it's fully plugged in, and for those on consoles, check your controller and that the headset is properly connected there too. Console users, remember to also check your console settings. Go to the audio settings in your PlayStation or Xbox dashboard and confirm that your microphone is properly selected as the input device. And also check to make sure that voice chat is enabled within the system settings. Additionally, make sure your chat volume is turned up. Still no luck? Try restarting Fortnite and then your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Finally, if all else fails, it could be a problem with your internet connection. A stable connection is vital. Test your internet speed and ping. Hopefully by going through these tips, you'll be back in the game, chatting with your squad in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and tricks.